everyone, this is Dimitri and you are watching BitTrend, and today again we are meeting Gary Yan. Hello Gary.
Hello, Dimitri.
And we
Good to
are
meet
right
you
now in Dubai during the Token 2049, one of the biggest events in the world about the crypto. And we have significant changes right now in the market. So that's
Exactly.
what I want to ask the Gary today about the market changes, what's going on, why the market changed, what we're gonna expect, where we are right now in this bull run, and what's going on in his personal project, and what is the hot topic for upcoming what is hot narrative for upcoming 3-6 months. So Gary, how you have been doing?
Oh, that's great. And it's hotter than in Singapore, right?
Yeah.
And in Hong Kong, right?
Yeah. That's
I
right.
mean, not only for the environment, but also for the market, right?
The market heating right now.
Yeah.
So like it's 50 degrees outside in here, and there's
Totally.
there's also in the crypto right now.
Yeah.
So when you arrived to Dubai,
Yesterday. The day before yesterday, actually, because I got drunk. So
yeah.
yeah. So it's the people here is very friendly. It's a very Dubai style. Yeah.
Okay, so you need to combine your leisure and the work in the same time. You need to have fully charged batteries when you wake up in the morning.
You should do that. Yeah.
That's why
Every day.
we are drinking coffee right now during the DFG and G Squared event right now in the Pete's Coffee on Marina, Jumeirah Marina over here.
Exactly. So well, the market is common hotter now, and become a second growth curve, which we actually talked about last time. Which actually people find out it's another topic, not only for the meme, not only for the traditional narrative, but now have got some kind of a new trend here in the market. People kind of becoming more excited now for the new trend, which is actually more asset, more RWA, more DeFi, and especially AI. And we're gonna have got an AI panel later on. Yeah.
Okay, what is the name of AI panel?
I will check.
I'll check. Okay.
I will send it to you
Yeah, all right.
about the link.
Yeah. You have very nice assistant. Her name is Wendy. Contact me very professionally.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very
exactly.
good. Very good. So so where we are right now in the market, what is the changes and what is the next narrative going to be hot in the future?
Well, actually in Dubai, the topic, I think is the hottest topic is still AI, the AI narrative. Because last November and about the token 2049, the people talk about AI narrative, but it's like a meme version. For now, people transfer to AI applications about AI asset and AI related many of the creative things. Yeah, so AI is still, I think, the hottest thing. And after the Hong Kong festival, Web3 festival, RWA and real asset is becoming now another very good trend. And so people talk about asset and real yield things. And so this is another industry. So I think AI and also real yield asset are two the top topic here in Dubai. Yeah.
Honestly, before we met here in Pete's, we have been meeting with a local person, an Arab person, and he doing real estate business with his family. He has family office doing real estate business, and he also developing RWA project connected to his real estate.
Yeah.
So I think it will be interesting for you to talk to him, and maybe I can introduce each other.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. About real estate, I think I can talk something about the special here in Dubai. In Dubai and Abu Dhabi, real estate RWA actually is very hot topic. But from last cycle, people talk about that. Why is that? Because the first one is the Emaar real estate company group actually occupy more than 70% of the market over there. I mean the tradition.
Emaar and Dammar.
Emaar, yeah. Emaar is the biggest one, right?
Yeah.
And Emaar actually, because the occupation of the market is so big, so all of the other real estate company try to find a way out, and then can make the fundraising or more asset or more way out. This is the background for here. If you stay here in Dubai, you can see 70% of the building actually have got an Emaar brand logo over there. So I mean that this monopoly squeeze many of the other company try to find out a way out, which is a new asset version, so that it is a booming. Why that is a booming and a boost the RWA things? Because they want to make the securitization all from the traditional security things, not from rates, not from real estate traditional asset, but to find a new asset over there. So we know that in Japan, the rates and the real estate asset is very mature. So there's many multi-layer of about the real estate, about security, about the asset, about services, and about renting things. But in Dubai, it's not that mature.
You know what he mentioned. I'll interrupt. Sorry.
Yeah.
He
Please.
mentioned that in Dubai they want to apply for license for RWA assets.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they have regulation for this, I think.
Regulation. So this actually, it's a very subtle development and a conflict and a competition inside Dubai. So many of the people here try to find out a new opportunity for RWA on the real estate assets, on the real estate industry. This is the background and why that happens very quickly.
Yeah, I think it's interesting because can be a trigger.
Yes.
The regulation in Dubai can be a trigger for something happen in this narrative with RWA. And for me, from my perspective, it's very good thing because this trigger not coming from US.
Yeah.
As we have been seeing so many news and things coming for Trump. So the market becoming very concentrated around the Trump,
Yeah.
which I see as not healthy like trend. So right now, pull out from the Trump and to something in another part of the world, I think it's a good news. So market
Yes.
will be not focused on one person and we will be not manipulated by a group of people as we've seen before, right?
Yes.
So this is important to think. So what is the expectation? How we can see the market in upcoming like 6 months? Will this trend will continue or will be interrupted somehow in June or July? Or we can see a bull run for a while till October? Because usually summertime is kind of not the best months right now.
Okay. First of all, we have to say this is not suggestion of investment.
Okay, this is not financial advice, guys.
But-
It's just opinions and talks, right?
Just
Yeah,
opinion and talks
Yeah,
with my friend.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, I think before the next big uptrend, there will be volatility and maybe a downtrend before that, because people have to digest some of the negative emotion still there, and the markets have to be more mature on a new narrative, which is including the real estate, RWA, AI narratives. Because we can see now, many people is building now. So this is very good phenomenon. Why that's that? Because all of people try to build something real. And we have to wait for that price into the market, right? So that takes time. It's not like 1 month it will go there. But I think many of the new projects gonna launch at the end of the Q2 or Q3 for this year. So which means that there is a big wave of the new project get into the market, which will definitely push up and lift up the price of the market. So I think this is one of the things. And with this trend, plus the thing that I mentioned last time, which is not pricing, there are so many policies driven by Trump, right?
Yeah.
And many of the following policy, we know that for this month, Singapore and Hong Kong actually released a lot of things, regulations and compliance things, which actually is a positive to RWA and a positive to the crypto market. All of these add up, top up, actually is not priced into the market. Once there is a wave, and all of this will be the catalyst and price in to the market, and there will be another wave to the market.
I believe that those regulations come into the market. Many of the retail users and people do not understand the impact.
Yeah.
So that's why there is no immediate action from the market. Like they can see the Trump talking about something and it's a trigger in market in the moment.
Yes.
So that's the thing. The market manipulated because it's triggered in the moment. Okay, Trump giving like some dinner for pumping his coin, something like
Yes.
this, you know. I don't believe this is healthy. This is manipulation of the market from my perspective, and I don't believe that a president of the country should be acting like this. Like,
Yes.
maybe my personal opinion, I don't really like the Trump or something like this.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So
yeah.
if the Trump fans watching us, sorry guys, we're not in the same team with you. But from another perspective, what is going on? Your project is also related to RWA.
Yes.
So what's going on around there? So what is with Cicada Finance? Can you give us some updates?
Yeah, there is some of the iteration about there. It's not only for evolve, it's an iteration. I mean that Cicada in the front, actually it's a RWA related asset, DeFi platform, which we call it PAM, Protocol Asset Management, new generation asset management by protocol DeFi.
Okay.
Yeah, it seems like really similar to the last generation DeFi and the BTCFi with the staking, with the yield bearing, and also the rebase. All of these are functional things. But actually, according to the evolution and iteration for this year, we know that well. It's a new generation asset management. So what we call is the new generation BlackRock. We use the protocol, we use the functional things, we use the RT-LT rebalance mechanism as the fundamental algorithm, and to push up the new generation asset management. So this is very important.
I have a question.
Yeah.
If your protocol settings
Mm-hmm.
of the percentage of the yield
Mm-hmm.
will be not optimized for the market, is there a possibility to update code or optimize this kind of settings or yield to the market? How it works in a code way, like, or something like under the hood of the protocol?
You mean that what is the advantage for protocol for
Yes.
the asset?
Yeah.
There is a theory called Davis double attack, right?
Davis double attack.
Yeah, which means that the stock share market and also the revenue will actually accelerate and catalyze each other and grow very fast over there. And in the crypto, that is the similar.
This what happened with the MicroStrategy stocks and Bitcoin.
Exactly,
right?
exactly. It's kind of a flywheel, and but it's not similar to flywheel because inside the crypto, the flywheel exists over there because the crypto and the emotion of the market and will double the momentum over there. But with real yield as the fundamental underlying asset to support, and this kind of flywheel will become more solid than traditional ones. So this is very important. So there will be flywheels, in short. Yeah.
Okay, we need to fly together with the flywheels, guys.
And on the other side, people think that if there's a flywheel, there will be death spiral on the other side, right? But with the support of the real yield underlying asset, the death spiral will be diminished, will actually less than the traditional crypto narratives. Because if there is no underlying asset, there will be big problem. And the death spiral come when the bear market and the token will go to zero or something.
Death spiral.
Death spiral.
Alright.
It's called 死亡螺旋.
死亡螺旋.
Yeah.
Okay. Death spiral.
Yes.
Death spiral.
Yeah. Exactly.
Like one is a flywheel, another is
there's a
death spiral. So it's like antagonist effect of the flywheel.
Exactly.
All right.
It's the devil's double kill.
Okay.
So in traditional finance.
Right.
Yeah. And this is the opposite momentum, because crypto actually is an accelerator. So once people is very emotional, then will become the flywheel.
Yeah.
But on the other side will be death spiral.
Yeah.
So what we have to do for this cycle is to accelerate the flywheel, but prevent the death spiral. That is very important.
Yeah.
And
But sometimes you cannot prevent death spiral, you know?
it's very hard, right?
Yeah.
What we have to do for that, what we have to prevent the Luna similar thing happen again is we have to find the real yield asset to support the death spiral. So that is the supporter, and then it will not happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. To eliminate effect of the dumping.
Exactly.
Right. Okay. I understand. This is interesting. Guys, we would like to open this topic more widely, but right now we're on events and we don't want to talk too much. So if you want to know more about this, we can go jump on the AMA session on Twitter Space. They'll do something content for this. Just let us know. We are here to educate people and share our opinions.
Yeah.
Non-financial advice. Gary Young, Dmitry Prokopenko, and you are watching BitTrend.